So, I'm setting up camp on a platform, or a nice warm soft comforter, a pillow, and great company. It was late into the night before I was revealed the answer to the primordial question. Inside a coalition of cheetahs, there's typically a leader. One that is bold, brave, and smart. An elder in many circumstances. The hierarchy occurs naturally in a coalition of wild male cheetahs. Female cheetahs are solitary in the wild, but I've seen them create hierarchies in a captive environment. They display dominance, and there's a clear leader. As in this case, where the elder of these three shows initiative. In nature, you want your leaders to be smart and wise for survival's sake. One of these subordinates follows the lead of her leader. That looks comfortable. Cuddling and snuggling is a survival trait for cheetahs and many animals that live together. It's because you conserve energy by sharing body warmth. These cheetahs are so warm. Feel their body heat. One thing about a hierarchy, if you're the last one on a totem pole, you get what's left over. Sorry. This is Juno, and she discovered long ago the warmest, most comfy spot is right in between. And if a cat trusts and likes you, you can forget about your personal space being respected. It's a given they get to snuggle with you, especially at night. It seems real peaceful, and it is. You just don't get much sleep. When one wakes up, they all wake up. It's time to get up, readjust, and lay back down again. This goes on all night. So yes, cheetahs are just like house cats. They prefer warm, soft, comforting blankets, cushiony pillows, and a warm body. They prefer that over hard, cold concrete. But the whole reason for that is natural. It's about the conservation of energy. Some of the food these cheetahs eat is used to maintain their body temperature.